Hi friends, in this video we will show you how to unbox Intex front loading washing machine WMFF60BD. Remove the packing strips from the carton box. Lift the carton box carefully and remove it. Remove thermocol packing and plastic cover from the washing machine. Remove user manual from top of the washing machine. Remove the rat guard from back side of the washing machine. Lift and remove the washing machine from base packing. Remove the supplied accessories from the base packing. Check for inlet pipe adapter, transit bolt hole covers and drain hose support bracket. Supplied accessories. We hope this video was of great help. Thank you.